Shiv Shakti Machtech, a trusted manufacturer from Ahmedabad, offers a highly efficient servo auger-based powder filling machine with bottom vibration, specifically designed to handle a wide variety of powders across multiple industries with precision and consistency. This versatile machine is ideal for filling powders such as turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin powder in the spice industry, wheat flour, rice flour, and besan in the food sector, talcum powder, cosmetic powder, and compact powder in the personal care industry, protein powder, milk powder, and baby food powder in the dairy and nutrition segments, detergent powder, agrochemical powder, and industrial chemicals in the chemical sector, as well as pharmaceutical powders like antibiotics, herbal powders, nutraceutical blends, and bulk drugs in the healthcare industry. The servo-driven auger ensures accurate dosing with minimal variation, while the bottom vibration feature ensures even settling of powder within containers, preventing voids and improving packaging integrity.